right, we're here at a house we're closing on next week up in the Knollwood area, Mink Shoals, 405 Crestview. This is a really cool house. The seller's husband was a cabinet builder, so the kitchen is really, really cool. I'm going to take you through a little tour and show you a little bit about our plans on what we're going to fix up, what we're going to change up, and how we're going to remodel this one. This will be a flip, so very nice house. Alright, so right when you walk in here, you've got a small living room. This is the original part of the house, and then they added on quite a bit. So obviously we'll remodel this end of the house. You've got 3 bedrooms and a bath down here. The bathroom's really nice. There's some pets in this room, so we won't go in there, but I will show you this room. I'll show you these 2 rooms. So this is a smaller bedroom. The bedroom here with the doggies in it is the same size. We'll paint and do new floors in here. But overall, it's in good shape. Nice size closet here too. So we'll go in this one. And then I'll show you the bathroom. This has got a lot of cool features to it. It's got kind of a cabin feel in the main parts of the house. So they like outdoorsy kind of people. This is real wood, like a knotty pine, and the closet has wood in it too. We have to keep some of the original features here. So we will keep the wood. We'll just do a paint job and floors in here and get it up to, you know, modern day style. But yeah, I like that. The blue trim will go. Sorry about the dogs and the noise. Bathroom's really nice. We'll change this up a little bit. We'll put one of our feature mirrors, and this one looks like it doesn't have an exhaust in it either. So we'll have to change that up to a Bluetooth exhaust. Floors are tile. Surround is tile. We'll keep all that. Might change the vanity out and get a different, what do you call this?
Beadboard.
Get a different beadboard in there. Got a towel closet right in the bathroom, so that's awesome. So we'll just update this, you know, make it a little bit more modern. All right, let's go to the kitchen. This is awesome. Her husband was a cabinet builder. He's a woodworker. He's got a lot of cool tools out in the garage, which it's a huge garage. It's about 250 square feet. But check this kitchen out. He built all these cabinets. They did the backsplash. The kitchen's already updated. We're not taking this kitchen out. I mean, this is custom. This is West Virginia built. We really like keeping stuff like this. We'll update the flooring. We'll put a real tile in here. Appliances are relatively new, so we'll keep those. There's what she showed us this too. Originally, the sink was on this side, so you've got water pipes up over here. So you could move the sink back, or what we were thinking, a pot filler. We'll see if we can bring the pipes up through the back of the countertop and do a pot filler right there. That would be cool. That'd be a cool feature to this kitchen. Now this is the original house, what you just saw. They built this on. So living room right here. Get some lights. They were going for more of a cabin look in here, and I think it's really neat. Hardwood floors back here. Got a stone fireplace. We might paint it, we might leave it. We're not sure yet, but we'll figure it out. These floors are in great shape. They might not even need refinished. They took really good care of this. Awesome entertainment room right here. This is your theater room. This is a cool feature. We'll go out back here. Got a covered back porch on this end. Really nice. Sit out here, drink your coffee, chill out. Big yard. I think she said the property line goes up to that first flat spot. They were gardeners. Got a chicken coop back here. That's going to stay too. Storage building and a chicken coop back there. Yard needs some love, but we'll get that taken care of. All that brick. They bricked the whole house. And then you've got a back deck here. HVAC unit's a little older on this end, but she did say it works. That heats and cools the garage side and the addition. So they have an addition up top that we're going to show you our plans for that. It's unfinished. So that's the really cool part of this project is we're adding a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. It'll be a 5-2 when we're done with it. All right, so we just did the main part of the house, and we're going to take you through the garage and then the additional levels up here. So as I was saying, husband was a cabinet builder. So this is really cool. There's a lot of cool equipment in here and all the stuff that he used to build. So really, really cool. You got an electric panel in here that does the main part of the house, correct? No, just all garage and upstairs. Okay.
In my bedroom, behind the picture,
That's what.
that's the original house electric box. I'm sorry, I didn't show it to you.
That's okay. I saw it though. No, all that's it.
In the bedroom.
All right, so back here we got a laundry room, pretty convenient to the main part of the house, and the upstairs too. It's going to be the master suite. Got more electric panel back here. There's actually 3 panels in this house, and one of my good friends, a guy that did my first house ever,
My
wired
dream.
it up. All right, cool. Now we're going up to the. This is going to be the master suite. There's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that we have to finish out up here. This will be the bigger part of the project, but it's ready to go. It's ready for us to start right away. Down this way, we've got the first bedroom up here. This was really cool. He was going to put one of those fireplace kind of inserts in here, little sizzle feature. We might do the same there. Big bedroom. So I've already got can lights in it, and then a closet over here. So this is pretty standard. It's already got the drywall up, a lot of the mud work done. Maybe just window sills, floors, paint trim, get it done. Down this way, you've got the bathroom, and this is what we'll make this really nice. We'll spend a good buck in here to turn it out really, really well. We're thinking about turning this into a hallway that goes back into the master. We'll do something different with the tub. We'll just make this really, really cool. Do our blue paint in there. So you've got a towel closet here, but like I said, we're probably going to go through this wall and make a hallway straight into the bathroom or a doorway. Maybe even in here. Maybe we cut the closet out a little short. We'll see. We'll see what we want to do with this. We'll make some plans, but this is a huge bedroom here. So master suite all day long. You got a private setting up here above the garage. You got a deck right outside, and it goes down right to that family room down there. So if you got kids, you never have to see them if you're staying up here in this room. So you can come out here and relax. You got stairway down into the family room, into the kitchen right there. So it's got a really cool layout. It's not that bad. It's in good shape. I really, really like the way this one looks right now. It's going to be a good project. So we're going to buy this house next week on Wednesday. Probably get started on it early parts of November. Take us a few months to. It's a big house. We're going to figure out the square footage, but I would say it's at least 3,000 square feet. It's going to be a cool project for us. Another big house. We don't love doing big houses because they take a lot of work and you can lose your ass on them, but I don't think we're going to lose on this one. This is a good project right here. If you want to check out the progress on this one as we go, just get on our Facebook and our website. We'll post constant updates, videos, pictures of the progress we're making through this. If you're interested in this house at all, you can get a hold of us now. We'll sell it as is. We can do the work for you, or we're just going to fully flip it ourselves and get it up on the market probably springtime. So buildingappalachia.com if you want to check us out, see what we do, and keep up with the progress on this one.